To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Cece, happy birthday to you.
How old are you now? How old are you now?
Cece, smile.
How old are you now?
How old are you now, Cece?
How old are you?
Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4?
Okay, we have cake. Let's put that.
This is a real plant.
That's real. Give me that. Happy birthday.
It's not moving.
All right, let's stop snowing. It stopped snowing.
What about this?
Yeah.
Well, that has feathers. That's why we didn't put that one on the cake. This we got.
Wow.
Believe it?
Nice work.
It's the best find.
Nice.
Yeah, I couldn't believe it.